Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. Guys, time to build long positions in Dogecoin, as MAs turn from resistance into support for Doge. The meme cryptocurrencies, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, looked quite doomed until the end of last week, after the big crash which wrote off around 80% of the value in these cryptos, while the buying pressure was really weak from the crash until the end of last week. They were also missing out on the crypto reversal, which started on July 20th. Moving averages were providing resistance for Doge, with the 200 SMA, purple, doing so on the H4 chart during May and June. Then, the smaller MAs, such as the 100 SMA, green, and later the 20 SMA, gray, were providing resistance, pushing the price down on this time frame chart, showing increasing selling pressure on Doge, as we highlighted in our 2021 Dogecoin, the 20 SMA acting as support for Dogecoin. Now however, towards the end of July, Dogecoin was putting up a fight and slowly rising above the moving averages, as the crypto market was turning bullish again. This was the first bullish signal, although Dogecoin was largely missing out on the bullish reversal of the crypto market, which so far has brought back lots of gains for the main cryptocurrencies. Guys, but the bullish momentum of the crypto market eventually caught up with these strange digital tokens, and Dogecoin made a jump toward the end of last week. Doge pushed above the moving averages on the H4 chart, and it climbed from below 20 cents to 28 cents at first and then to 29 cents, gaining nearly 50% of its value. So, the highs are getting higher after this reversal, and now the lows are getting higher as well, indicating that the buyers are in charge. Dogecoin pulled back yesterday, but the 20 SMA is holding as support and the price is already starting to bounce off that moving average. So, this looks like a good opportunity to get into this trade on the long side. Although, I would have liked to see a deeper pullback to 20 cents minus 0.22, which would be a great place to go long on this crypto. A close above this could trigger the next Dogecoin rally. Dogecoin seems to have found renewed buying pressure in the market. The alt witnessed a prolonged consolidation and just managed to stay afloat above its 20 SMA, red, but its the 7th of August hike provided a much-needed spark for another bull run. Doge's weekly gains now stood at 37%, and the same would soon overtake its monthly ROI of 38%. Meanwhile, a resistance zone at $0.275 minus 29 cents slightly complicated matters, but bulls were expected to negotiate past this hurdle. At press time, Dogecoin traded at an important resistance level of $0.275 minus $0.294. Interestingly, this area formed the base trendline for Doge's June descending triangle, after which the alt suffered a 36% decline and registered a near 2-month low. A successful close above this zone would propel the coin to its the 29th of June swing high of $0.337, which accounted for another 20 to 22% jump in value. For this outcome, Doge would need to close above its weekly 20 SMA, red, which coincided with the aforementioned resistance area. The daily RSI was about to form its second peak in the overbought zone, and failing to move above 70 would give rise to a double top. This did present some short-term risks. Bulls need not be on alert as long as the index maintains above 55 to 60. Moreover, the weekly RSI traded above the 55 mark and was ready to enter bullish territory. This pointed to further upside in the coming days. Squeeze momentum indicator flashed a squeeze release coupled with rising green bars, a reading that usually serves as a buying signal. The fact that the average directional index sustained its rise above 25 also meant that Doge bulls maintained their grip over the market. Conclusion: the RSI's overbought nature suggested a minor decline, but Dogecoin was expected to trade just below $0.275 minus $0.294 for the next few days. A close above this range could be the catalyst for another 22% hike, which would push Doge towards its next target of $0.337. This Dogecoin festival has big-name headliner. Will Elon Musk attend? Soul legend Dionne Warwick is going to headline Dogepalooza, a music festival specifically devoted to meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin. The first of its kind event is going to take place in Sugar Land, Texas, on October 9th. Warwick, who is known as one of the most charted female vocalists of all time, seems to be excited about her upcoming performance. The 80-year-old singer described Dogepalooza as a meaningful event in her statement, "I'm so looking forward to being a part of this meaningful festival." The proceeds from the festival will be donated to various charities, according to the event's website. The lineup will also feature well-known record producer Damon Elliott, who also happens to be Warwick's son. Elon Musk likes the idea of a Doge Fest. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, the most powerful Dogecoin cheerleader, recently supported the idea of holding a festival dedicated to the parody cryptocurrency. In a June 1 tweet, he said the idea of him DJing while Grimes and Snoop Dogg perform sounded kinda fun. It is unclear, however, whether Dogepalooza in Warwick will be fun enough to pay attention to the upcoming event. The Technoking has been eerily silent about Dogecoin over the past month. The joke cryptocurrency has managed to pare some of its losses even without the help of Musk's Twitter handle amid the broader market recovery. Dogecoin is currently trading at roughly 27 cents on spot exchanges. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning intraday low $0.2564 before making a move. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.2474, Dogecoin rallied to a late afternoon intraday high $0.2832. Dogecoin broke through the first major resistance level at $0.2656 and the second major resistance level at $0.2736. A bearish end to the day, however, saw Dogecoin fall back through the major resistance levels to end the day at sub-$0.2650 levels. At the time of video, Dogecoin was up by 2.24% to $0.2706. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning low $0.2625 before rising to a high $0.2742. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Dogecoin would need to avoid a fall back through the $0.2681 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.2798 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break out from this morning's high $0.2742. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at the 23.6% fib of $0.3016. The second major resistance level sits at $0.2949. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.